Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our last video, we talked about the main state and we have gone through the process of how we can file the quarterly sales tax return for main state. Today, we're going to file another state, which is also a quarterly state. But before I move ahead, I would like to request all of you to do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest sales tax information related to US taxation. But before I go ahead with this, state, I would like to mention one thing about the last video regarding the main state, so which I forget to mention in my last video. So the due date for main state is 15th of following month. So normally, as we know that most of the US states have the due date of 20th, and some are due on 25th, some are due 30th. Most of the states are due with 20th of the following month, but particularly for the main state, for the quarterly main state, for the quarterly sales tax return for the main state, the due date is 15th of the following month. So let's come back to the main topic. So today we're going to file a New Jersey sales tax return, and that's also one of the quarterly return for one of my clients, and I will show you how you can file the quarterly sales tax return for New Jersey state. So one thing I would again highlight here, so for example, if there are some quarterly returns, some are monthly returns, and some are annual, biannual, and so on so far. So these two frequencies depends on thresholds, basically different states threshold. So different states have different criterias and different thresholds to determine the filing frequency, and same goes with the nexus as well. I will make a separate series of videos on the nexus. That's my second part, where I will tell you that what is the nexus for different states, or the thresholds, the limitations of the transactions. So same goes for the frequency. Some are the quarterly returns, some are the monthly returns, and both are based on the thresholds and the level of transactions, or you can say the value of transactions, value, or the quantity, the quantity of the transactions. So this is my quarterly return. So let's go back to the portal now. This is my portal. I will select here. Since this is my quarterly, so I will select view quarterly, and then here you need to select the period. So for example, I'm gonna file June, so that's my second quarter. So I will submit. Okay, now here I'm gonna click uh, okay, so basically they have changed their portal, so I'm gonna click next portal. But let's just to let you know how you can see your file your return. So I'm gonna just show you how I did my last return. So New Jersey have recently changed their portal. Going forward, you need to file your returns on the new portal. So this is how you will file the return. You will have a total gross receipts here, then you will add the receipts which are not subject to sales tax, and then the system will calculate this, and then the sales tax will be calculated here. So it's a very straightforward return like we did for the main. You just need to put the sales, total sales, and non-taxable sales, and the system will generate the tax here. Like you can see here, my total tax here is 4096.33, and this is what I have on my report. So if you have any questions related to this, if you have any comments, any suggestions, do let me know in the comment box. Thank you very much.